I was not going to make this video, but a friend of mine recently mentioned how her skin and nails have been looking amazing since she started doing the gelatin trick, and I just had to share it with you. Apparently, the gelatin trick has been a game changer for her, giving her this radiant glow that's hard to miss. As she was telling me about it, I realized I've been noticing the same thing in myself since I started incorporating the gelatin trick into my daily routine. My nails are stronger, and my skin looks more even-toned. It makes sense, really. When you think about how the gelatin trick works, it's all about nourishing your body from the inside out with a simple, natural ingredient that's probably already in your kitchen. By doing the gelatin trick every day, you're essentially feeding your skin and nails the nutrients they need to thrive. My friend noticed the difference in just a few weeks, and now she swears by the gelatin trick as part of her daily self-care ritual. If you're curious to learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it a part of your own routine, check out the link in my description below for a detailed walkthrough. I've also pinned a comment with some additional tips to get you started, so be sure to take a look.